Forget everything you know about the standard compact Seal. BYD is scaling up, aiming straight for luxury executive territory with a vehicle that targets European luxury benchmarks at a fraction of the cost. This is the all-new 2026 BYD Seal Euro 8, a massive, 5.1-meter-long luxury fastback coupe packed with up to 694 horsepower, active rear-wheel steering, and second-generation Blade battery tech that adds 400 kilometers of range in an insane 5 minutes. Welcome back to DRX Automobi. Today, we are taking an exclusive first look at this flagship game-changer as it hits dealer showrooms ahead of its official July launch. Visually, the Seal 08 debuts BYD's highly anticipated Ocean Aesthetics 2.0 design language. It trades the compact sports car proportions of its smaller sibling for a grand touring stance, measuring a commanding 5,250 millimeters in total length with a sprawling 3,030 millimeter wheelbase. The nose is aggressively low, featuring narrow weaving LED headlights paired with active ambient lighting integrated directly into the functional side air curtains. Its streamlined fastback silhouette cuts through the air with extreme efficiency, while a high-tech roof-mounted LiDAR housing flags the presence of BYD's upcoming semi-autonomous driving software. Underneath that gorgeous sheet metal sits the cutting-edge E-Platform 3.0. EVO architecture. The top-tier all-wheel drive BEV variant utilizes dual electric motors pumping out a combined 5 and 10 kW, equivalent to a jaw-dropping 694 horsepower, rocketing this luxury liner from 0-100 km/h in a blistering 3.3 seconds. While official pricing launches on July 2nd, early dealership pre-order benchmarks place the top-tier flagship trim right around 250,000 yuan, or roughly $3,600 to $900 USD. Landing massive dimensions, sub-supercar acceleration, and high-tier active chassis dynamics for under 40 grand makes the 2026 BYD Seal 08 an absolute weapon. Would you choose this 694 horsepower electric fastback over an executive European luxury sedan? Let us know in the comments below, hit that subscribe button for DRX Automobi, and we will catch you in the very next breakdown.